Good morning, student. Here we are learning chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. In first lecture we have studied how can we solve the problem from the given some problems, and we have converted in a linear form, and we find the coefficient of linear form. Now we are going to discuss here the solution of linear form or linear equations. For that, here given some linear equation, we are going to take some values of x and y. From that, we know that the linear equation given in the form of equality, that RHS and LHS both are equal. Now we are going to take the value of x and y and will put in the equation, and if the RHS and LHS means left hand side and the right hand side will be equal, then we can say that the value of x and y is a solution of the given linear equation. Now for that solution of a linear equation, let us consider the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now here given one equation, that is a linear equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now if you want to make both sides equal, here we know that the value is from in RHS there is 12. Now we want to make 12 is equal to 12, so that we have to take the value of x and y in such a way that this multiplication of 2x and 3y, and after then we add both the term, we get 12. For that we take the value of x and y randomly, we select here. For that we take x is equal to 3, we take x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Now we substitute this value in the equation, in the above equation, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Then we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 into 3, that is the value of x, and 3 into 2, that is the value of y. Then it is equal to 12. So that 12 and the RHS and LHS are equal. Then we can say that for the value of x and y, 3 and 2 is a solution of given linear equation. By this way we can find other solution. This solution is written as n order pair as given here, 3, 2 in bracket 3, 2. We write the solution of linear equation in this order form, 3, 2, where 3 shows the value of x and 2 shows the value of y. So this is the pair solution of the given linear equation. So if you put the value of x as 3 and value of y 2, then we get 12 is equal to 12, means it solves the equation. By this way, first writing the value of x and then the value of y. Similarly 0, 4 is also a solution for the above equation. For that, let me put the value of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4 in this equation. Then we get such as here 2x plus 3y. Now taking value x is equal to 0, then 2 into 0 plus 3 into 4, which is equal to 0 plus 12, which is equal to 12, means it gives, or its answer is 12. So here 0, 4 is also the value, the solution of given linear equation. By this way we can also put another value by selecting x and y. On the other hand, 1, 4 is not a solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now put x is equal to 1 here and 4 is equal to y here, then you not get 12. So that because on putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4, we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 14, which is not 12. Not that 0, 4 is a solution, but not 4, 0, means the alternative term pair of 0 comma 4, that is 4 comma 0, is not a solution of given linear equation. If you put the value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 in the given equation, then you cannot find the value of 12, because if you put x is equal to 4 in the given equation, that is goes 4 into 2 8 and 3 into 0, that is 0, 8 plus 0, that is 8. We get here 8 does not equal to 12. So 4 comma 0 is not a solution of given equation, but 0 comma 4 is a solution of given equation. By taking random value of x and y randomly, select any of value of x, and according to x you select the value of y and put it in a linear equation, and if you can find is equal to 12, then it is a solution of given linear pair. So by this way, that is, linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions, because you can select for value of x and y randomly, and you can find the value of the solution of given linear equation infinitely. So note that a linear equation in two variable has infinite many solution. You can find one solution, two solution, three solution, or infinite solution for the given linear equation by selecting the value of x and y. Now let we take some example. Example number 3. Find 4 different solution of equation. Now here we take value of x. What we do? We take value of x, and according to that we take value of y, and if we find is equal to 6, let if you put x is equal to 2, if you put x is equal to 2, so you have to put here y is equal to 2, that is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. It is one solution, 2 comma 2. Also you can put here 6 comma 0. If you put 6 here and 0 here, then 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Also it is solution of, as well as if you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3, then 0 comma 3 is also solution of given linear equation. By this way, putting the value of x and y, we can find the solution of the linear equation infinitely. So here we are said to find 4 different solutions. So that let take the value of x and y. By inspection, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 is a solution, because for x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, we put it in the equation, then we get x plus 2y. By putting the value of x 2 and y is equal to 2, 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So RHS and LHS are equal. So that we can say that 2 comma 2 is a solution of given linear equation. By inspection we can also find some other value. Now let us choose x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, which is the value of x. The given equation reduced to 2y is equal to 6. Here you can see that if you put x is equal to 0, here you put x is equal to 0, then what will be? 2y is equal to 0. Now which has the unique solution? Which has a unique solution? Then y is equal to 3. As we know that 2y is equal to 6, then y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 is also a solution of x plus 2y is equal to 6. It is said as a unique solution. 0 comma 3 is also solution of given linear equation. Similarly, taking y is equal to 0, the given equation reduced to x is equal to c. X is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0 is also a solution of x plus 2y is equal to 6 as well as. Finally, let us take y is equal to 1. The given equation now reduced to x plus 2 is equal to 6, whose solution is given by x is equal to 4. Therefore 4 comma 0 is also a solution of the given linear equation. So for of the infinitely many solution of the given equation are given as 2 comma 2. If you put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, then you get the solution of given linear equation. If you put x comma 0 comma 3, then you can find the value of the linear or solution of linear equation, as well as 6 comma 0 and 4 comma 1. These are 4 different solutions of given linear equation. as well as you can find infinitely many solution by putting value of x and y alternately. Note that an easy way of getting a solution to take x is equal to 0 and get corresponding value of y. Similarly, we can put y is equal to 0 and obtain the corresponding value of x. If you want to find the the solution of the given linear equation, then easy way, by putting x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0, we can find the value of x and y. Now let find two solutions for each of the following equation. If you put, in first equation, if you put x is equal to 0, what you do? If you put x is equal to 0, then 3y is equal to 12. Then what you get here, if you put x is equal to 0, then you get, here you put x is equal to 0, then 3y is equal to 12, then what you get, y is equal to 12 by 3, that is equal to 4. According value to x is equal to 4, then you get y is equal to 4. This is first solution. Alternatively, if you put y is equal to 0, what you get, 4x is equal to 12. Then you can find x is equal to 3. 4 3s are 12. So by this way, in all three equations, let take x is equal to 0, then you can find y, the value of y, and if you put y is equal to 0, then you can find the value of x corresponding. Now by this way we can find the solution of two solution for for all the equation. So here a solution taking x is equal to 0, we get 3y is equal to 12, that is y is equal to 4. So 0, 4 is a solution of the given equation. Similarly, by taking y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 3. Thus 3, 0 is also a solution. Now about second one, for 2x plus 5y is equal to 0, take x is equal to 0, then you get 5y is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 0. Means 0, 0 is a solution of given linear equation. And now if you take y is equal to 0, then you can get 0, 0 as a solution, which is the same as the earlier one. To get another solution, take x is equal to 1, say, then you can check that the corresponding value of y is minus 2 by 5. So 1, minus 2 by 5 is another solution of 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. By this way, you can also find the other solution of the given linear equation by putting the value of x and y alternatively. Now for the equation number 3, writing the equation 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Here we know that in this given form, there is not a given variable x. So we take 0 into x, that is a 0. Plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. As we know that we can write this linear equation in the standard form as 0x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. You will find that y is equal to minus 4 by 3. From this equation, y is equal to 4 by 3 for any value of x, because here x is equal to 0. X in here, x is multiplied with 0. If you put any value of x, what you do? If you put any value of x, then this term will be 0. This term will be 0, and you get, every time you get y is equal to minus 4 by 3. Every time what will you get? Y is equal to minus 4 by 3, because here the value of x, if you put any value of x, then you can find the similar form of y. So that if you put 0, then you can find minus 4 by 3. If you put 1, then you can find minus 4 by 3. If you put 2, then you get minus 2, minus 4 by 3, as well as infinitely solution you can find. Now we solve some example from exercise number 4.2, that is given here. Write 4 solution for each of the following equation. We are going to solve here one example from below examples. Now take the value pi x plus y is equal to 9. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. Now we are going to take the value of x and we can find the value of y. If you put the value of x here, then we can find the value of y is equal to, then it is the value of x and y, it is solution of given linear equation. So solution, let x is equal to 1 over pi. Why we have taken this 1 over pi? Because if we put here 1 over x in this equation, then pi will be cancelled. Then what we can find? 1 plus y is equal to 9, then we can find y is equal to 8. That's given here. Pi is equal to 1 over pi, then pi will be cancelled, plus y is equal to 9, then we can find y is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So that the solution of given linear equation is 1 by pi comma 8 is solution, as well as we take 2 by pi. What we take? 2 by pi. So pi will be cancelled, then we can find such solution as here x is equal to 2 by pi. Then pi will be cancelled, plus 7 plus y is equal to 9. Then we can value of y is equal to 9 minus 2, that is 7. 2 by pi comma 7 is the solution of given linear equation, as well as we are going to take 3 by pi, so that we can find the value of y 6. So 3 pi by 3 upon pi comma 6 is the solution of given linear equation, as well as we can take 4 by pi. So we can find 4 by pi comma 5 is a solution. So we put the value of x and reduce it in one variable y, then we can find value of y. So by this way we can find the value of x and y, and it is the solution of given linear equation. By putting this value in the equation, you can find is equal to 9. If you put 1 over pi and 8, then you find 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. If you put 2 by pi 7, then you can find 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, as well as all for the all value we can find, or you can satisfy the given equation. By this way you can find the solution of given linear equation. Therefore 1 over pi comma 8, 2 over pi comma 7, 3 over pi comma 6 and 4 over pi comma 5 are all solution of the equation pi x plus y is equal to 9. Now let's consider one more example. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of linear equation. As you know that in chapter number 2 we have studied that if you put the value of x, then we can find the value of unknown term from the linear the given polynomial. So by this way here we are going to take the value of, if you want to find the value of k, is here you can see that 2x plus 3y is equal to k. We want to find the value of k. For that we are going to put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in the linear equation. Then we can find some value equal to k, and it will be the value of k. So by substituting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in the linear equation, then we can find solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So it satisfies the solution. So thus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 7 is equal to k, means the value of x the value of k is equal to 7. So by this way you can find the solution of linear equation, many infinite solution of linear equation, and also you can find some unknown value as given here k by putting the value of x and y. If x and y, the value of x and y is a solution of given linear equation. So let's solve such examples from exercise number 4.2. There are given some example 1, 2 and 3 are similar to given example. Let us solve it.